In this video, I'll show you how to operate a foot parking brake. I'm in an Acura model right now, but I'll also show you in another model that works differently, so two different ways. Okay, so in the first option over here, you have a parking brake, is the one on the left side, and to engage it, you just have to press it. You can press it fully or halfway, and it will stay the way you have pressed it. Now you're probably wondering, how do you disengage the parking brake? Well, in this model, okay, there is a latch right above it with a P. You may not even have a P on the latch, but there's a latch and you need to pull it, and you see it has disengaged it. You can do this, obviously if you're on a hill, I suggest that you keep your foot on the parking brake and release the latch gradually, while at the same time giving some gas so you don't go backwards. So this was the first sort of parking brake. Now let me go in another model that works differently. Alright, so right now I'm in a Nissan, and this is a bit different since you see over here it says push on and push off. So this parking brake, it's at the same place, but to engage it, it's you need to follow the same exact steps. So push it fully or halfway and it will stay. And when time comes to disengage it, there's no latch, you need to push again and it will release. Okay, so push in to lock it in place and push again to release it. Let me show you again from another angle. You see I can even push it halfway, and to release it I just have to push once more and it disengage. Please leave a comment down below telling me what model car you have and how does it work. Is it a push in, push out, or does it have a small latch that you need to pull? I'm really curious which model has what parking brake. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.